Hello everyone, welcome to Team Reverse channel, and in this video I will show you how to fix Valorant error code 128. So before starting video, if you are new in this channel, then hit subscribe button and let's start our video without wasting time. So to fix this issue, first of all go to start menu and then follow every step as I am showing you in this video. So after completing this last step, then restart your PC and hope so it will fix your issue. So that's all for this video, and if you like this video then hit like button and also don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.